Hi, Chris again at Falcon Technology, and today we are showing you the smart combos. Smart television combined with boosted internet. Smart TV is a way now we are watching television at home, whether it's catch up on iPlayer, Netflix, Prime or Disney Plus. However, going to the countryside signal reduces, sometimes we can't even make a phone call. So we are not going to be able to stream. Sometimes you may be able to tether, but most of the time you won't. So the smart combo is a combination of a television and boosted internet all in one bundle as a package. So now not only have you got a great TV, but you've also got a great connection to be able to watch it. The television also comes complete with built-in DVD player, terrestrial TV and satellite. Will work on 12 volts, and also the combo, this will work on 12 volts as well. So you have a solution when you're camping off-grid or when you are on-grid. Viewing angles are 178 degrees, so you get a great picture from every angle, no matter where you're sat in your caravan or your motorhome. It also has great sound, but it's also got integrated Bluetooth, which you can connect with the soundbar or alternatively with headphones. So the smart combo comes together with the television and the router system. The combo router system is a combined router and antenna which is waterproof. So this now can sit outside your van with the suction cups, and the cable then can be passed through the window, which can be 12 volt or it can be mains power. The SIM card goes inside. You can use any kind of SIM card, a pay-as-you-go SIM card, the SIM card from your phone. The router is unlocked, so it can take any SIM card from any provider. With this now, not only does this give you a great connection for a more reliable connection so you can stream and browse, but now you can connect up to 10 devices, whether it's your tablet, your laptop, your smartphones. So everybody's happy, everybody's connected, whether it's banking, browsing, streaming or making a Wi-Fi call when you can't make a phone call. Great offers to be made if you're a member of the Camping and Caravan Club. The saving when you buy is £50. Use the voucher code on the shopping basket when you're checking out if you need further information, and please contact us on 0800 622 474 or email us at sales@falcontechnical.co.uk or go to Facebook and direct message us. Thanks very much for watching the Falcon Smart Combo range we have in the 27, the 24, 22 and 19 inch. All the dimensions are available on our webpage. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.